Good morning students. In today's video I'll cover the topic determiners. In previous classes also you must have read this about the determiners. So here we will again go through the determiners. So first of all we'll talk about the definite articles A and AN. A we use in front of the consonant sound which give the sound of consonant, which give the consonant sound like a cat. And where we use N which give the sounds of vowel like an orange, an apple. The is a definite article. Where we use the use of the definite article the, we will go through it and then we will read it. While talking about a particular person or thing or one already referred to. So where we use the about a particular person or the thing or the things which we already referred in that context, we can say the book you want is not available. So here the is the definite article. We are talking about the particular thing. Before proper names, oceans and seas, the Pacific Ocean, rivers, before the name of the rivers, the Yamuna, canal, before the name of canal, the Suez Canal, before the deserts, the Sahara, group of islands, the West Indies and the Netherlands. So the same mountain range, we will use the in before the mountain range, the Himalayas. A few names of countries which include words like states, republic or kingdom. There also we will use the. The country which include the word like states, republic or kingdom. So in the United Kingdom, the kingdom is there, so we will use the. Same the USA. S is the state, the USA. Is it clear? Before the names of unique like the sun, the moon. Before with superlative degree we always go with the. She is the best girl in the class. With ordinals, he was the first person. So first is the ordinals. So with ordinals we will always use the. He was the first man to walk on the moon. Why we are using the here? Because it is the unique. Before the musical instrument and before the musical instrument we will always use the. She is playing the tabla. Before an adjective when the noun is understood. So when we understood the noun, so we will use before the, and we will use the before adjective. The rich is adjective here. The rich always exploit the poor. Poor is also adjective. So is it clear where we will use the? Students, now I will discuss where we will not use the. Where we will not use the article. So before the abstract noun or the material noun, we will not use the article the. Like we will say honesty is the best policy. So honesty is the abstract noun and before that we will not use the. We will not say the honesty is the best policy. We will say honesty is the best policy. Second, before plural countable nouns. Plural countable nouns like children. Children like ice cream. We will not say the children like ice cream. So here also we will not use the. Before names of people like Ram, Ravi. So we will not say the Ram, the Ravi. We will not use the before the name of people. Before names of countries, continents and cities, we will not use the. Like Pakistan. We will not say the Pakistan. Nagpur. We will not say the Nagpur. We will omit the in front of these names. Before name of individual mountains, like in previous I said the Himalayas. Himalaya is the range of mountains. So for individual mountain like Mount Everest, Mount Everest is the individual mountain. So we will not use the. We will not say the Mount Everest. Before name of meals. Means generally in general sense we are using dinner. We will say dinner is ready. We will say dinner is ready. We will not say the dinner is ready. Before languages and words like school, college, church, hospital. So how we will use this? My uncle is still in hospital. We will not say my uncle is still in the hospital. So there we will use, there we will not use the. Before names of relation. Relation means like father, or we can say sister or brother. Father always takes care of his children. We will not say the father always takes care of his children. So is it clear? So this is the way we will not use the in front of these things, like before abstract noun, before plural countable nouns, before names of people, before names of countries, continents, cities, etc. Before name of individual mountains, before name of meals, before language and the words like school, college, church, hospital, before name of relations, we will not use the. Students, now we will discuss the quantifiers. Quantifiers are some, many, a lot of, few, a few, little, a little. So where we use some? Some we will use both with the countable and uncountable nouns. Like I have bought some books. I have bought some books. So books is the countable. So we can go with some with books also. Will you give me some money? So the sum is with the money. Money is uncountable. So some can go with the countable noun as well as uncountable. Many, many with numbers. Many go with numbers. I have many friends. A lot of. It will go with countable as well as uncountable. Like she has a lot of friends. So here friends are countable. So she has a lot of friends. I have a lot of money. Money is uncountable. Like few, which emphasis on lack of something. Like I have few friends. So here few is emphasizing on less friends. A few, it emphasizes on something still remains. I have read a few books. Little, it emphasizes lack of something. There is a little water in the jug. There is a little water. It emphasizing there is lack of something. Next is a little something. It emphasizes on something is still remain. Like there is a little ice cream. So there is a little ice cream. It emphasizing that there is a little ice cream left. Who will eat? The next is much. The much will go with the singular uncountable noun. Like for example, we'll say the tailor has much work in hand. The tailor has much work in hand. Now I will tell you how we'll use each and every in the sentences. Each. We use each for two or more than two items. Where we are talking about two or more than two items, what will we use there? Each. Each of the two boys. Here we are talking about the two boys. So what we are using, each of the two boys has one prize. Second, every, for more than two items. For more than two items. Every student in the school is present today. So here we are talking about the number of students, more than two. Use of most, several and all. Most, where we use most. Most go with plural uncountable nouns. Like most of the people can be trusted. Several with plural nouns, not very large number. Several people lost their lives in tsunami. Not in very large number, we will go with several. All denotes the number as well as quantity. Like here, the first sentence, all are going to Delhi. Here the all is denoted with number, all people. All that glitter is not gold. is not gold. Here the all is quantity. Now students, I tell you the use of other and another. Like other, it can be used with a singular countable noun, plural noun and uncountable nouns. Listen carefully, it can be used with the singular nouns, it can be used with the countable nouns, and it can be used with the uncountable nouns. Like the other students. So here the students are countable plural noun. The other students went back home. Another, it will go only with the singular countable noun. Singular countable noun that can be count. Bring me another knife. Bring me another knife, as this is not working. So another will go with the singular uncountable nouns. Use of either or neither. Either, it refers to things, people or situation. Like, I don't agree with either Ram or Shyam when we are talking about the two people here in the sentence. Neither, none of the two. Neither of the two boys passed the exam. Neither of two boys passed the exam. So these are the uses of other, another, either and neither. You can say either and neither also. So student, the next determiner is the possessive determiner, like my, his, her, etc. Sorry, my, his, her, its. These go with the singular nouns. Their and our, it will go with the plural nouns. Your will go with the singular noun as well as the plural nouns. Like my, how will you use my? This is my car. His, how will you his? How will we use his? This is my car. The dog licked its bowl. So its is we are using for the dog. So student, this was the description of the topic determiners. I have discussed you about the different type of determiners, and I hope you understood this chapter. And thank you so much for watching this video.